There we go, all hooked up for the craft show. Thank you. Got the trailer.
Check the lights.
Yes. They are good to go. Let's see inside of it. I got stuff out here that I can keep in here without having to take out every single time. I got my cart right in the front. So let's load up the rest.
Your keys, madam.
Thank you. So we gotta get this stuff. Not these two bins on the bottom, they're not going. But the rest of the stuff is going. That stuff is going, not the Pampers, that's for my granddaughter. And this bin, this one is filled with bath bombs, so that's going. Hey friends, I know it's a little loud out here. There's a heavy travel road next to me. But here's the back of the trailer. This is filled with stuff that can stay out here all the time, like my props, my scrunchies, things like that. So, I brought out more bins. It's really cool out, so I know everything will be okay overnight. So, because it's so cool, there's a really nice breeze, I thought, you know, why don't I take the stuff out tonight? And then tomorrow I'll be pretty much ready to just put on my makeup and get something cute on and head out. But, yeah, so there's that. I just got this trailer. I only ever used it once. So this is my second time using it. I just wanted to keep my wagon here right at the edge because I'm going to need to be able to get this out first so I can load everything up. But, so this will go right here. Put that right there. That way when I'm ready to go, I can pull that out and just start loading it. It's such a big one. I can't wait to show you tomorrow. I love it. So let me grab some more stuff and I'll be right back. Oh my God. I literally can smell this soap. So for my soaps, I have one open so people can pick it up and smell it. And then the rest are shrink wrapped, like you see me do many a times. Like you have seen me do many times. Okay, let me get more. There's almost like a hole in the middle center there where I don't have I'm just gonna move things around a little bit. Ugh. I'll get more stuff. I'll be right back. Ah. All right, so I got some small things that I'm gonna throw in. I don't really have bins for them. They're just like small items. And that'll be it for tonight. So let me get those in here. My lip balms. So I'll put these in here. And then I got my wax melts. I don't have a lot of table space for them, so I'm just bringing a couple of them. And then, I thought I'd bring these. I made these yesterday, and I don't know if they'll sell, but I'm gonna just price them at $4 or 2 for $7. I thought that was a good price. There's a bug crawling around. But, they turned out pretty good for the most part. I think they're worth $4. So, I have that. And the last thing I'm putting in tonight are my signage. So let's get this stuff in here. I think that's good for tonight. I'll show you. I'm gonna leave this open for right now. But let me show you. So this is my Jeep, and the only things I had to put in here was my big thing of soap, and these are my bath bombs. So everything else fit in the trailer. The only thing I have to bring out tomorrow is the only thing I'm gonna have to bring out tomorrow is my box that has like my scissors and my tape, pencils, tags, things like that. And I'll bring that out tomorrow morning. And that also has, I use a fanny bag. I don't use a lockbox. I started using a lockbox when I first started and realized that it's not a good idea because I couldn't babysit it all the time. Sometimes I'd get called away to the other end of my booth. And then, you know what I mean? I was afraid it would get stolen. So I wear a fanny bag. I know some people use aprons, but yeah. So that's it for tonight. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, friends.